Hey, beautiful people, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make some cauliflower buffalo quote unquote wings. Yeah. Is your game changer. It's where you're going to flavor your cauliflower. So you take about 2 cups of almond flour, and then I'm going to season it with some all-purpose seasoning, some seasoning salt, and some black pepper. I don't really measure as I go, but I will definitely provide some measurements in the description box below if you want to follow this recipe. Oops, I definitely forgot one more thing. Garlic powder. I put that in everything. Yeah, add some of that to your mix. To make a wet coating for the cauliflower, I'm going to use almond milk. I have about 1.5 cups of almond milk, and I doubt I'm going to use all of it. But I pour it in a little at a time until I get the consistency that I want. You don't want it watery, you just want it slightly thick. I'll show you with my fork. It's important to understand how to get that right consistency because not all almond flours are the same. So you want to know how to do. In the oven at about 400 degrees for 7 minutes. Just keep your eye on them so they don't burn. Yes, so our cauliflowers are all cooked and crisp and ready for our buffalo sauce. An alternative to what I'm doing is you can make a bowl of about 1 cup of buffalo sauce and about 2 tablespoons of butter and brush it on. But I was hungry and I'm not needing butter. I don't want it, so I'm going to do it this. After I ensure that each piece has enough sauce, I'm going to pop it back in the oven for about 7 minutes, still at 400 degrees. Voila! Here is your finished product. It looks and tastes great. The way I ate it, I had it with some spinach, and I made some homemade guac. You know, the avocados provide that additional fat. I also sprinkled some nutritional yeast on top. That's what those flakes are, for some B12 and some protein. This can be eaten by itself. You don't have to add anything to it. You can also eat it with meat. I just really love this as a keto dish. So try it. Let me know if you want to try it.